A very good morning, everyone. Myself, Boddu Naveen Kumar, working as a Napino Vikasam project, functional English and life skills trainer, APSWRS, social welfare school, Nijapatnam Mandalam, Guntur district, and APSSTC and school net taken this project. Today, I will explain a small topic is silent letter in English. Students, what are the silent letters? What is the importance of silent letters in English? A silent letter is the letter in a word that are not a pronounced but make a huge differences to the meaning and pronunciation of the whole words. There are some rules that explain which letter are supposed to be a silent before and after. Certain letters, the only issues about this is that like all English rules, there are usually some expectations. Let's check the what are the silent letters in alphabet wide. Silent letter B, rule number 1. The letter B is usually not a pronounced after M at the end of a word. Like example, comb, bomb, thumb, lamb, tom, thumb, lamb. And rule number 2, B is usually not pronounced before the letter T. Doubt, doubtful, subtle, that. In the silent letter C, rule number 1, the letter C is usually not pronounced in the combination of SC. There is combination of S and C. Like scissors, accent, fascinate, muscle. And rule number 2, C is usually mute before the letters K and Q. It's a C letter is the must be mute, not pronounce the C letter. Lock, block, puck, acknowledge. And the silent letter D, the rule number 1, the silent letter D is silent when it appear before the letter N and G, like Wednesday, cage, pledge, gauge. And rule number 2, D is not pronounced when it following common words. Common words like handsome, handkerchief, sandwich. And silent letter E, if the letter E comes at the end of words, it is generally not pronounced like for, the above, before, right, give, hide. And rule number 2, if E occurs before the letter D in the second and third form of the verbs, E may sometimes not be pronounced like bird, fix, smuggle, beg. Silent letter G. The G letter is not pronounced when it comes before N in a word. Design, fine, sign, Nash, align. And silent letter K, the letter K is always silent when it proceeds the letter N in a word. No, knock, knife, night, knowledge. And silent letter PH. The PH is sometimes pronounced like F only sound. Sophia, paragraph, elephant, telephone. And silent letter S, the letter S is not pronounced before L in the following words. L, island, I, islet. And silent letter T, the rule The letter T is not pronounced in the following common English words: castle, Christmas, fashion, listen, often, breathe, cheverel, whistle, thistle, bustle, hasten, soften, report, gum, ball. Right? And silent U, the letter U is not pronounced when it comes after G and before a vowel in a word. Guide, gust, gird, gus, gano. And silent letter W, the letter W is not pronounced at the beginning of a word when it is before the silent letter A. Right, left, wrong, rack, rap. And rule number 2, W is silent in the following words: who, whose, whole, whom, however, answer, were, swere, chew. This is the few examples of silent letters in English. It's the most important. You have to follow the rules and regulations when you are speaking the words correctly. This is a small topic. Thank you for listening, guys. Thank you.